Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna be doing a DIY scalp exfoliating mixture. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be using, and I'm taking you along. I'm just gonna be using 3 ingredients: raw honey, sugar, and some DIY apple cider vinegar. Yeah, I'm the queen of like DIYing my hair stuff. So here I measured about 1/3 of a cup of the white sugar. You can use any sugar of your choice, and I'm gonna use close to 1/3 cup of honey as well, about that much, and I'm gonna mix that in with the sugar, but it's not gonna give it the correct consistency that I want. So I'm gonna use a few spoons of the apple cider vinegar just so that it can be a little bit more liquid. Okay, so that way it will be easier for me to apply and scrub my scalp with the mixture. Okay, so here you can eye it, like I'm using 4 teaspoons and that's enough. As you will see soon, I'll show you the consistency. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and also like the video for more to come. And here is what we have. It's ready, so quick to make, so easy, and it's so relaxing, and it helps to stop itchy scalp as it removes all buildup, and also it helps add shine and moisture to the hair for that whole week that you do it for. So okay guys, so here's my hair. I've gone ahead and finger detangled it. So that way it will be easier for me to go through and part and apply the solution to the hair. Okay, so here, as you can see, I still have my alopecia spots that I'm nurturing, so that way they can start growing back. So this mixture is great because it can stimulate hair growth as well. So you can see in the back around the nape, the hair has fallen off as well due to alopecia. So this is to help stimulate hair growth, and by removing any buildup, anything that's clogging the pores, preventing the hair from growing as fast as it can. Okay, so here you just grab an amount and start rubbing it in on your scalp. We don't add it to the length of the hair, just this scalp, and then we go in a circular motion. It's so relaxing. It's really great, ladies. If you want to give this a try, it helps with alleviating itchy scalp, add moisture to the hair, revitalizes the skin on your scalp. So all that stuff, it's really amazing. It's awesome. So give it a try. And I plan on doing this like every other week. Every other week, to help exfoliate my scalp and really stimulate some beautiful hair growth. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here. Please subscribe and like the video, and enjoy some music as you watch the rest of the video. Thank you so much and enjoy. Bye.